self-love, and in my clinic I see so many women with digestive issues and hormone imbalance, and they are really struggling to find any feeling of love and joy and profoundly deep self-love. And this has a huge impact on our gut and our hormones and our stress levels. So today I'm going to share with you some of my tips for having a better relationship with yourself through deeper self-love. We rarely set time aside for ourselves and often ignore our own well-being, and this ignorance can lead to mental and physical health issues, and it will have a profound effect on your gut and your hormones, and it also starts to seep into our relationships. It's critical that we take time out of our busy schedule to nourish yourself deeply. We tend to neglect ourselves and put off any sort of taking a break for self-care and self-love. And this can lead to this feeling of a never-ending work cycle with no recreation, no love, no joy, which will leave us feeling down and frustrated and even anxious and even to the extent of maybe a panic attack. The easy solution to this problem is that you take care of you. You take time to nourish you. So take some me time out to treat yourself to something nice and something stress relieving. And don't feel selfish about it. Just because, because when you feel good, you're better able to take care of the other people in your life. Okay, so ways to promote some self-love. Spending time alone, a little bit of time alone every day, even if it's 10 minutes, getting a moment away from the kids, away from the spouse. Don't be quick to turn on the TV or turn on your phone or your laptop. Just be sitting in silence and listening to that inner dialogue. Reflect on what's happening in your life. Appreciate that, you've achieved so much in this life, and even that will help encourage yourself to do more. Reading some poetry. I'm loving the Dolly Parton Book of Songs, and the Book of Words. It's so beautiful just reading her words. It's so uplifting. Focusing your energy on being a beautiful person inside rather than focusing on outward beauty and how you feel inside. How does your tummy feel? Are you nourishing your body in a good way? Getting up early in the morning and eating healthily through the day, starting your day with a little bit of gentle meditation, a little gentle movement, a little bit of silence, a little bit of stillness, and a little bit of gratitude work and being thankful will set you up for staying on track and feeling refreshed during the day. Now, of course, spending time with loved ones is so important and difficult at these times that we're being cut off and we're being isolated. So spending time with loved ones is good for the soul. Arranging some specific activity. I know it's very difficult at the moment, but a little bit of a walk, a little trip outside, a little bit of a walk with a loved one is really important. Getting that fresh air, really important. Give yourself a break from technology. I don't turn my phone on for the first hour of the day, because as soon as I turn my phone on, I'm into the world of other people's stress and other people's dramas and other people's requests. The first hour of my day is for me to sit in silence, to reflect, to be still, to move, to breathe, to do some gentle exercise and stretching. Our positive affirmations will also help give off positive vibes. So, really talking to yourself in a positive way will help promote happy family life and have a deeper impact on your mind, your body, and your soul, and your gut health and your hormones. I do have a friend, Maya, who is a relationship coach. She is fantastic. And if you are struggling right now, I'm going to put a link into the comments and I would really encourage you to reach out to her. Has a beautiful program to help support helping relationships thrive. So if you're struggling at home right now and you're in a difficult relationship, then I really encourage you to reach out to her. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.